We're making Cheetos Mac and cheese, flaming hot. Very, very good for you. Very healthy, super healthy. Yeah, it has lots of cheese, hot spicy cheese. So, let's go. Let's make it. Now we're going to add some salt to the now boiling water. Take a look. It's boiling. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt just so the noodles don't stick. Little salt, little bit more. Okay, now we're going to find a spoon. Here we go. It's not a spoon, but who cares? It'll work. Now we pour in the hot Cheeto macaroni. There it goes. Now we add another box, so we have a lot. Good. Next, we're going to stir it real good. Stir it good. Okay. Wow. Smells good. Around it goes. Stir it. We're gonna eat some hot Cheeto macaroni. Okay guys, now we're gonna cook it for like 10 minutes. So we'll be right back, okay? Okay, we're back. And it seems like it's ready. We're gonna turn off the fire. Okay, now we're gonna have to drain it. Now we're gonna add some milk and butter. See, right here. Some butter and some milk. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of milk and a spoon of butter. Whatever that means. Okay. Yeah, just a little bit. I think that's enough. Now I already added a little bit of butter, but we're gonna just give it a little bit more butter, okay? Just for a little buttery taste. Now we're going to add the best part. Now that's the powder that comes inside, the spicy powder. That's sit right here, okay? Now we're gonna stir it. Stir it real good just to get all that powder, you know, stir it real good, okay? And voila, hot Cheeto macaroni. Looks pretty good. Now we're gonna give it a taste test. Yeah. Be right back. Gotta go get a spoon and, a fork and a bowl. Now we're gonna give it a little taste. I hope it tastes good, not too spicy. It's not.